Imagine typing just one sentence and watching it run your entire workflow. Research, content creation, slide design, posting, all handled automatically across every app you use. That's exactly what Pokey AI does. It turns prompts into productivity. Think of it as your personal digital assistant that connects to thousands of apps, plans your work, and executes it instantly. Today, we're diving deep into how Pokey can replace complex automation tools like Zapier or n8n and why it's changing the way creators and teams get things done. Stay until the end, because I'll show you how to automate your entire social media routine in under 10 minutes. Welcome to Liqui AI, the channel where we explore the smartest tools to supercharge your workflow. In today's video, we're reviewing Pokey AI, the new prompt-to-workflow automation engine that's gaining massive attention. This tool allows anyone, from solo creators to enterprise teams, to automate entire projects using simple text prompts. You'll find the official Pokey link in the description, along with the hashtag PokeAI if you want to join the discussion or try it yourself. Pokey AI is not just another chatbot. It's a decision intelligence automation platform powered by reinforcement learning. That means it doesn't just answer your questions, it builds and executes complete workflows. You can literally chat with Pokey, describe what you want done, and it will generate a multi-step plan that runs automatically. It's like telling your digital assistant, create a LinkedIn post from my latest blog, design an image, and schedule it for tomorrow morning. Pokey understands your intent, builds the steps, and then executes them in the background. You don't touch APIs. You don't configure anything. Pokey does it all. Every AI assistant claims to save time, but most of them stop halfway. They write drafts, they give ideas, and then hand the rest to you. Pokey is different. It thinks like an assistant, but acts like an automation engine. That's the magic. You describe your goal once, and Pokey executes it repeatedly across your favorite platforms. Pokey connects with the tools you already use. It integrates with Google Workspace for Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, and Gmail. It connects to meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram. You can manage campaigns on LinkedIn, X, YouTube, TikTok, or Reddit. It also works with productivity tools like Slack, Notion, ClickUp, Jira, and Asana. For e-commerce, it connects to Amazon, Walmart, Target, and more. And if you're a developer, Pokey links with GitHub, Cloudflare, and Overleaf, with even more integrations including HubSpot and Microsoft Office. In short, Pokey fits wherever you work. Pokey's power comes from its text-to-workflow capability. You type a command, and it builds a complete process. Need to create social posts, write a blog draft, or edit a video? Pokey can do it. Want to generate and share a Google Doc or slide deck? Done. It can summarize research, reply to emails, schedule meetings, update tasks, and even prepare reports. It's your AI research assistant, your marketing manager, and your automation engineer, all in one. From generating images and videos to automating Slack updates or ClickUp tasks, Pokey blends creativity and productivity in a single interface. Let's walk through a realistic scenario. Suppose you say, find today's trending topic about AI agents, draft a post for LinkedIn and X, create an image, and organize everything in Notion. That's it. One prompt. Pokey searches the web for trending discussions, summarizes the results, and writes platform-specific posts with engaging hooks and hashtags. Then, it generates an image that matches your brand, schedules both posts, and adds a record in Notion. You can even enable approvals during testing, or go fully automatic later. Imagine waking up every day to find your posts already written, designed, and queued. That's the future of social media, and Pokey makes it happen. Now picture this. You ask Pokey, research the AI agent market, create an 8-slide presentation with data, and write a 1-page summary in Google Docs. In minutes, it searches the web, pulls the latest data, drafts your document, and designs a presentation complete with images, charts, and citations. It even uploads both files to your drive, shares them with your team, and logs the links in ClickUp. That's not hypothetical. It's a real workflow you can run today. Pokey removes the manual steps from research and report generation, saving you hours every week. One of Poke's most powerful capabilities is that all workflows are reproducible. You can take any workflow you've already created, change its input, and Poke will automatically rerun the same process, producing new results instantly. For example, if you've built an automation that posts daily updates about AI agents, you can simply switch the topic to prompt engineering, and Poke will repeat the entire process from research to posting with new, fresh content. No rebuilding, no reconfiguration, just fast, consistent results across your existing workflows. This makes Pokey a truly scalable automation engine that learns your preferences and helps you maintain a consistent output across platforms and projects. Pokey AI offers multiple plans depending on your needs. There's a free plan to test basic features. The basic plan starts at $19.99 per month for solo creators. The professional plan costs $49.99 and suits small teams or power users. For larger automation projects, the elite plan is $199.99 per month. And for organizations with complex security or workflow needs, there's a custom enterprise tier. You can check current pricing and features using the link in the description below. Pokey is for anyone who values automation without complexity. It's perfect for content creators who want consistent posting. It's ideal for marketers managing campaigns across multiple platforms. Agencies can use it to handle client projects automatically. Developers can run GitHub or Docs flows without writing code. And businesses can use Pokey to coordinate research, documentation, and communication across departments. It adapts to your workflow instead of forcing you to adapt to it. If you're just starting out, keep approvals on for the first few workflows. This lets you double-check what Pokey creates. Once you trust its logic, switch to full automation mode. Be specific in your prompts. Use clear actions like create, schedule, or share. Save your best commands as reproducible templates and update them daily with fresh inputs. Pokee AI turns automation into conversation. It's the first platform that lets you speak your workflow into existence. If you want to try it, use the link in my description or pinned comment. And don't forget to include hashtag PokeAI when you share your experience. This video is not sponsored. I just believe Pokey represents the next evolution of AI productivity. I'll see you in the next video.